Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy boxers on Real Boxing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing 2 game. Tap on the shop option from the bottom of your screen. Now go to the boxers section. Here you can swipe right or left and choose the boxer that you want to buy. Once you have selected the boxer, make sure that you have enough diamonds or coins to buy the boxer. You will need these in-game currencies for the purchase. If you have enough diamonds or coins, simply tap on the buy button. Then, confirm your purchase and the new boxer will be added to your roster. And this is how you can buy boxers on Real Boxing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.